Hey, bestie, you ever finish washing your face and it still feels dry or just meh? Girl, your skin's screaming for a toner. Not that stingy alcohol one, but a calm, hydrating green tea toner that actually makes your face feel soft and balanced. And guess what? You can make this with 7 ingredients and sell it in your skincare line for under $1. Let's go! Hey bestie, welcome back to the Skincare Business Series. This is episode 3. And today we're making a calming green tea face toner that feels fancy, costs pennies, and actually works. It's for all skin types, even sensitive queens. We're keeping it water light, alcohol free, beginner friendly, and yep, it's gonna look real cute in your brand lineup. Before we continue, let me quickly remind you of our sponsor, Pure Actives Co., your one-stop shop for natural wellness, premium chemical ingredients, aromatherapy oils, and botanical extracts that empower individuals to take control of their health, beauty, and well-being. Shop today by visiting their website at pureactivesco.ca. Ingredient breakdown: Bestie Style distilled water, 77.8%. This is our hydrating base. Don't use tap water, boo. We're keeping it clean and bacteria-free. Aloe vera juice, 10%. Soothing, hydrating, and just feels like skincare. It's perfect for toners. Glycerin, 7%. This right here, Skin's BFF. It grabs water and holds it so your face stays juicy all day. No flakes, no ashiness. Green tea extract, 3%. Green tea is that girl. It fights inflammation, helps tone, and gives your skin that calm, healthy look. Panthenol, 1%. If your skin's ever felt irritated, this helps soothe and repair the barrier. Perfect for toners and aftershave refreshers. Sodium phytate, 0.2%. This keeps your formula stable and happy. Basically, a bodyguard for your preservative. Preservative, PE 9010 or similar. 1%. Toner has water equals bacteria magnet. We're not about that. Always add a good preservative. Make it with me, step by step. Step 1. Sanitize everything. Spray down your beakers, spoons, and bottles with 70% alcohol. Let them air dry. Step 2. Mix the base. In a clean bowl, add 77.8 grams distilled water and 10 grams aloe vera juice. Stir like you're making skin tea. Step 3. Add the rest. Add in 7 grams glycerin, 3 grams green tea extract, 1 gram panthenol, and 0.2 grams sodium phytate. Mix gently. Step 4. Preservative goes last. Add 1 gram of PE 9010. If you're using another preservative, double check your usage rate. Don't guess, bestie. Step 5. Test your pH. Use your pH strip. We're aiming for 5.0 to 5.5. If it's too high, add a drop or two of citric acid solution. If it's perfect, no need to change anything. Step 6. Bottle it up. Use a 100 milliliters mist bottle or toner bottle. Shake it up, label it, and just like that, you've made your first business toner. Wrap up, labeling, and what's next. So there it is, your very own green tea toner made with love, good ingredients, and bestie energy. This is the kind of product your future customers will fall in love with. But before you sell, your toner must have a proper label. Depending on your country, you need to include product name, ANCI ingredient list, not common names, net content like 100 milliliters, batch number and manufacture date, business name and contact, usage instructions, for external use only, and storage tips. If you're in Canada, the US, UK, or anywhere in the EU, these rules apply. So always check your country's cosmetic labeling laws. Just because it's handmade doesn't mean you can skip compliance. We're building a real business, remember? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tag me at Bestie Made It when you launch your version. Next up, we're making a creamy face cream that feels like a $50 product, but you'll make it for under $3. I'll see you there, bestie.